Let's all assume your seats as we start the program. Shall we please be seated?
Political parties now are then this is a traditional event. And so thank you very much. We are joined here today by the British High Commissioner. Yes, at the ceremony. And she is seated already.
That's Richie. Hi. Hi, what's the hell?
Well, we are in the city of First, which means we need to spotlight Ogwa icons. This afternoon, let's talk about her ladyship, Sophia Edinyira, respected judge and retired justice of the Supreme Court of Ghana. From Cape Coast, Ogwa. Again, Justice Barbara Francis Akayensu. Special thank you to Safuhin Nanama Kesson, well known as Madame Charlotte Osei Esquire, for leading the entire delegation. Well, in case you didn't know, Mr. Kwesi Planch was a Ghanaian politician.
So Sabara Marcel, so Adama, and they'll consider her to the play for so I don't know and walk up. Was wonderful.
Fuchiami Bayi. Say, Mossabe, my doctor, we sat at that's a minute. Two for Wabano, Mutma, I get it now. Say, for an nanny, and for snap, pay over. You know, you put him as not.
This will say there was a myself. So I don't know what I'm ready, and I'm on your consumer bracelet. System Pentumino or Makaba, whatever. $2.
Exchange of pleasantries. But it's important for us to understand the tradition that is ongoing.
So the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana and the presidential candidate of the NPP, Dr. Mahmoud Bamian, is in the house and he's been welcomed. So that's the noise that you hear. Vice President of the Republic of Ghana and the presidential candidate. And also the running mate of the NDC, Professor Nana J. and the regional chairman, as the Western Communications Officer of the NDC, all retain salary and research.
Who is leading us? Together with the people's Professor Manager Professor Nana J, being accompanied by officials of the NDC. I see Alexa Becky also. To officially begin the program, and we will entreat political parties and politicians to please be aware that this is a traditional event. Please, this is a traditional event in honor of the people of the coast, the 60th, 50th
Political parties now your best friend. This is a traditional event.
The grandmother of the Chiefs people of Oga as they mark the 60th anniversary. Was shown around a year rally. 18 political party flags was shown. One from Brazil. Must show the political party flags. One from Brazil. Now, the program now. Must show. We cannot accept this. We beg you. Chairman, Dr. Presenter II. So please, let's be seated.
While the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Magraheb, is still paying respect to the people gathered here, still exchanging pleasantries, and will soon occupy the seat.
We're about to start the program very soon. We have the opening prayer. Fast behind time. Let's share with you now. Program here, let's share officially. Yes, the whole is special. 80 Obiara. Oyata.
We'll also be receiving the Right Reverend Richardson Agwaji-Andam, who is Bishop of the Methodist Church of Ghana, Cape Coast Diocese, and also the Regional Chairman for the National Peace Council, to do the opening prayer. Reverend, please be getting ready. At the same time, among Chame, Kofi Benya, Obaya Manzi Obogun Sakapra, Tia Pomperia, and I have a Semuna Momanchame, Benya, Hawaii and Gamama. Cheddar is going to pay homage to Regional Fire Commander DC DFO John A. Amate is here with us. Well, let's also recognize the Deputy Minister for Lands and Natural Resources and MP for Tapa, Honorable George Mirakuduka, who is here with us this afternoon. The CEO for the Ghana Tourism Authority, Akwesiatimo, is also here with us.
And we're told that the 2024 are also here. They've joined us here to join the people of Ghana to celebrate Fatal Fashion 2020. Thank you very much. for coming.
The next president of Ghana. On behalf of the Rector for Ghana Law School. The next president of Ghana. Is also here. Was color director.
Okay, so we are starting. Bearing in mind that time is not our friend, and Nanano cannot stay here for late, so we have to start. And we'll start with the opening prayer. And we'll please urge the traditional drums. We'll urge you. Yes. Would it please bring it down. As we invite Right Reverend Richardson Abwaji Andam, who's Bishop, Methodist Church of Ghana, Cape Coast Diocese, and Regional Chairman of the National Peace Council, Central Region. Please, if
you are not an accredited person, kindly leave the space. Please.
Thank you very much. So we invite Reverend Richardson of Guajiandam. Please, the program has officially begun. Let all of us be seated. The sun cannot set on Nananum here. So you know we don't have time. Let's stop the drumming so we can start the opening prayer. And Right Reverend Richardson Abwaji is here, who is the Bishop of the Methodist Church of Ghana Diocese, will give us the opening prayer.